All right, you guys. So I have a spare bucket right here, and we are going to go put a hole in it. All right, that was easy. Got a hole. It's a little rough hole, but let's see what that tape will do with a rough hole on it. Every hole is not going to be a perfect hole whenever you're trying to patch something anyway, right? All right, so this is about 1.5 inches. I believe it's 1.5 inches. Yeah, I think it's 1.5 inches. So we are going to go ahead and try patching this one up. All right, you guys. So it don't say nothing about a specific hole size on here. It just says good for roofs and all of that other stuff. You patch, bond, seal, repair. As y'all know, I put it on my pipes right there just to hold it still. So really don't care if it leaks when it comes to that. But I know people want to see if it leaks when it comes to like holes and stuff like this. So we are going to go ahead. We're going to put a piece on here. I wish I should have got some scissors. I forgot to grab the scissors, but oh, it's not that sticky right there. Oh yeah, it is. I'm tripping. All right, so let's see, you guys. We're gonna wrap it around here. Wrap it around that hole, just like that. All right. Rubbing it in. Then we're gonna fill it up with some water. All right, so I still got maybe like a 1/2 inch right here. I have a 1/2 inch here, a little bit more than a 1/2 inch here, as far as the space on the between the hole and the edge of my tape, and I'm rubbing it really hard on there. All right, now we are going to fill the bucket up with water. I'll let it sit for maybe like a day, and then we'll check it out in the morning. All right, you guys, putting the last little bit of water in here. So far, so good. So we are above the hole right now, and we have no leaks. Give it one day. Let's see what happens in one day. Again, we have no leaks. Very dry. I'm gonna leave it just like this. So catch y'all in the morning. All right, everyone. So we are 24 hours later, and we have no leaks. None at all. The water is still there. Nothing's coming out. You don't see no water down here. It's not damp. So we are all good to go, you guys. So this flex tape does the job, and it's very strong too. So, and that will be it, you guys. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section, and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.